What up? What up? What up? It's your boy Nate back with another one. That's two stock picks, a crypto update, and I'm gonna go over my portfolio with you guys. But before we get into it, of course, I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Investing carries risks. Talk to a financial advisor in your area. Always do your own research. It's simply my research. And most importantly, I am not trying to sell you anything. There is no catch to this. This is just me trying to look out because I am a new investor, and I'm sure there will be new investors who are looking at this. And just know, I don't care to gain anything from this. This is only to help you. So if I was to gain something, it's the fact that I put you in a position to learn about these stocks. So without further ado, let's get to it. First stock is Lemonade, ticker symbol LMND. Again, that is Lemonade. For you guys who don't know what Lemonade is, Lemonade Inc. is a holding company which engages in the provision of insurance services. The firm products include renters and homeowners insurance and pet insurance. It offers insurance coverage under the homeowners multi-peril, inland marine, and general liability lines of business. So, Lemonade currently sitting at $83.19. As of today, it is up $3.73. That's up 4.72%. After hours market, this is sitting at 36 cents. Sorry about that. So going into tomorrow, it's going up still. This is a stock with a 52-week high of $85.20. Today's high was $85, so it was 20 cents off from its 52-week high. It has a 52-week low of $24.31, and it got as low today, $79.04. Its year to date is $46. It grown 124% on the year. So Lemonade was a great stock to buy this year. Okay. Analyst ratings say 18% to buy, 55% to hold, and 27% to sell. With that information, this is a buy and hold. Simple as that. You buy, you hold, and hope for the best, And if you're a smart investor who's going to do your research, you'll know when to pull. You'll know when to throw extra money in. So this is one of those ones I plan on looking more into. I may purchase, who knows, but based off of, the information I've gathered, I think it's a safe stock, but at the same time, you just never know with the stock market. I am looking at this one to grow to about $90 in 2026. So that would be from point now, it's a $7 growth. So that, again, that's my projection. Do your own research, and you figure out how you feel about Lemonade, and you go from there. All right. And the second stock we got is Coreweave. I'm sure you all have heard of Coreweave. On most platforms, you look on X. I follow a lot of investing, pages on X, Instagram, TikTok, and Coreweave is always one of those stocks that's named all the time. Every single time I'm looking at to see what other people are investing in. Blossom, for those who don't know, Blossom is an app where you can look at other investors' full portfolio. You can completely see everything. You can track when they invest in this stock, when they sell the stock, everything. Blossom is an amazing application. Definitely get that one. I can tell you to get that one. You should definitely download Blossom. A lot of the pages that I follow on YouTube, a lot of the investors pages who I follow, they're all on Blossom. So definitely something to look at. And Coreweave is one of those stock that a lot of them have in their portfolio. So Blossom is a cloud infrastructure company that provides high performance computing resources optimized for workloads such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, visual effects, and batch processing. And again, that is Coreweave, ticker symbol CRWV. It is currently sitting at $72.03. Today, it went up $3, 4.76%. And in the after hours market, it's currently at $4.40. That's 6.5%. So as of right now, this thing is still going up. It has a 52-week high of $187 and a 52-week low of $33.52. It's grown tremendously. So on the year, it's grown 80%. Okay. $32.02, 80% on the year, because it's had this volatility. Today's high was $72.75. And today's low was $64.55. So that's volatility right there. It's floated $8, from its low. So it opened at 67. It went down $3, then got as high as another $9. So that, yeah, you'll have that. But 33 analyst ratings right here. 55% of those analysts say to buy. 39% say to hold, and only 6% say to sell. Coreweave is a stock to definitely look out for. I personally think it's kind of like a no-brainer, but that is for you to decide. I can tell you now, I'm probably going to purchase Coreweave. It is a stock that I've been looking to see if they have it in any ETFs. I think I just want the stock itself, though. I think I want more of a piece of it because I think it would be more to gain from having that individual stock. I do see it as the future, so I would want a bigger portion of it. And that's just kind of how I'm looking at it. And if I can get it to the point where I've made a certain amount of money that I'm comfortable with, then I'll probably drop it. And then I'll probably buy the ETF form where it's a basket and Coreweave is one of those stock inside that basket. And I'm okay with that. Because again, the way I'm doing this thing, any money I make off stocks, I throw it into ETFs. Because in my individual portfolio, which I'll go over with here soon, I have individual stocks and I have ETFs. And the goal is to get rid of those individual stocks at some point and just put that money that I made from those stock into that ETF and just continue to let it grow. And out of that individual account, again, 10, 20, 30 rule that I told you guys about 5 videos ago, after 10 years, that individual account will be closed. That is money I will be able to possibly enjoy, slight half invest into my Roth. And then with the managed account, that'll be for my next 10 years. That's the account that I have Robinhood running for me. I may invest a little bit in there. And if not, what I make off this 10-year portfolio in the individual account, that'll be the money to give me comfort while still working and whatnot. So 2 stocks were LMND and Coreweave. Now to let you guys know how my portfolio performed today, not too bad. For the most part, everything was up. I had those few stock that I'm still trying to get rid of where they didn't perform as well as I wanted them to. But hey, we know how this game's played. So, one cool thing that I did do. So I invested some money into SGov, and that's iShares 0.3-month Treasury bond. And I did so because it offers a 3.85% yield, 30-day yield. So I'm kind of using it like a savings account. Obviously I have other forms of savings account, within my bank, my credit union, SoFi, which I've told you guys about SoFi, and then Fidelity, their cash management account. So yeah, I've been putting money to the side in different spots, but that was one thing that I did do today just to have money, just extra money sent to the side, growing. So that works for me. But for the most part, to get back into it so I can stop getting off topic, but VTI performed well, QQQ performed well, VYM was up and down, ARKK performed well, LOUP, Innovator Deepwater Frontier Tech ETF, performed pretty well. And the stocks that I'm trying to get rid of, Credo Technology Group, told you guys about that one. I missed my mark to sell. So now I'm at the downward spiral of it. I'm trying to let it grow, get my money back, and then let it go. And I'm okay with it. Like, it is what it is. I'm cool with breaking even because it's been more of a headache for me than it has been help, because I didn't look at this as a long-term move. And one thing I want to tell you guys, if you guys are going to be investing, pick stocks that you truly believe in. And I would say to go long term. I would say to go to hold them long term. And another one, the other stock that I'm trying to just get some money back, Roblox. Roblox has been up and down. I do think with the holiday coming up, Roblox will go up. So I may just have to hold it 2 more weeks maybe. But so far as Roblox, another reason why I want to get rid of it is because I have it in 2 ETFs, like with a high percentage in that ETF. So it's like, I'm already have money in it through these ETFs. Now I got this individual stock. I don't need it. I like Roblox, but I don't trust it that much. So trying to gain some money from Roblox as well as Credo. And from there, I can get rid of those and continue to auto invest money into these ETFs that I have and the few stocks that I do choose. So that's how my investing account went. My Roth was great. My Roth was amazing today. Like no complaints. Gold is still performing pretty well. Not too much. SCHD, pretty good. VXUS, pretty good. VU was up. SPYI, I'm still only a couple bucks in there, so it's gonna take some time. VNQ down a little bit, but nothing too serious. A dime, SMH, semiconductors is going to do its thing. A lot of stuff that I'm invested in is artificial intelligence, technology. So it's going to always be up and down. Volatility is going to be crazy on all those. But I truly believe in my Roth. On a year, I'm still doing pretty well. So no complaints. Managed account, it went up. Again, not much in there yet, but it's still in the green. So no complaints. And that crypto update, just to get that to you guys, everything is down again, but it's been down the past couple videos. XRP is under $1.80, and I have a $2 average. And I'm kind of telling myself, with XRP having a 52-week low of $1.56, I can get closer to that $1.56. I'm considering buying more. Because the issue with me is I was buying it at $2.50, and I don't know what I was thinking. Obviously, I was like, oh, well, this thing's about to go crazy. This will probably be the price. I was wrong, but I can definitely get that $2 down to $1.90 if I was to make a simple like $10 purchase. But I'm kind of looking at XRP at the moment like, let's hold back a second and we'll figure something out. But I will tell you guys this. This is just my situation because I already have some. For you guys who don't have it, this is the time to buy it. Like buy it now at this price. It may go down even less than this, but this is a good buy price for XRP. And another one, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down to $85,000. And with Bitcoin, its 52-week low is $74,000. It's $10,000 away from its low. It's down $1,300 on the day. So Bitcoin, I'm not putting another dime in Bitcoin, but again, just like with XRP, I would tell you guys this is the perfect time to buy if you believe in crypto, if you believe in Bitcoin. Ethereum down $2,800 at the current moment. Still, see, the thing with Ethereum though is it still gets closer to the 3,000. Tomorrow this thing may go up to $3,000. So Ethereum is the one that I see works the most in the market, where you'll have your day where it shoots up, $400. Then you'll have that day where it goes down $200, and then go up $300. It'll go down $400. It's gonna steadily be between $2,800 and $3,200. So with that being said, a good buy range is now where it's $2,800. So it's one way of looking at that. And then Solana, you all know how I feel about that one. I just simply wouldn't do it. That's just me being honest with you guys. I would not put money in Solana. Those other three, better chance, but nah, on Solana. But with that being said, those are the 2 stock picks in the crypto update. That is Lemonade, Coreweave. Stay on top of your portfolios, guys. Keep investing. You all be safe out there. Peace.